The recent arrests in Palawan and Makati of suspects engaged in eavesdropping and espionage activities are backed up by evidence and repeated stakeouts of their stealthy and sneaky actions and seizure of their data gathering hardware. Hence, the NSC is advising the public to be on the lookout and to expect more arrests of these bad actors paid by foreign governments, as our Patrick De Jesus reports.
More arrests are expected for espionage following the apprehension of an alleged Chinese spy. According to the National Security Council, 2 more foreign nationals were arrested in Palawan after some residents reported their suspicious activities, which led to the discovery of evidence.
Pumupunta sa mga, di ba, for example, mga bases natin, military bases natin, Coast Guard bases, kung nasaan yung mga barko natin, no? Nandun sila sa mga lugar na malapit at naglalagay sila ng mga equipment to be able to record the movement, no, of military personnel.
We have seen the extensive operations that they have been doing in the Philippines, and slowly we are able to disrupt and to stop all of these activities in our country.
The NSC and AFP reiterated that the arrests of the alleged spies are not fabricated but are the results of surveillance operations.
Huwag i-downplay ito. Kasi some are saying na hindi naman high-tech itong equipment na to. But what matters is the data that is being taken and how it's gonna be used.
Kinakalungkot natin yung sinabi ng Chinese Embassy at ng Chinese Foreign Ministry na lahat lang daw ito ay baseless accusations, lahat daw ito ay walang katuturan at paninira lamang. This was a case build-up. No? Hindi naman po tanga ang ating kapamahalaan.
Retired Associate Justice Antonio Carpio supports the move to amend the country's espionage law as pushed by the NSC and the passage of a law against foreign interference and malign influence.
We are now in the cyber age. We have to update really a lot of our criminal laws, especially on national security.
From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.